Well, happy Friday evening to you. It was wet and dreary most of the day. Unfortunately, the rest of the night we're going to be wet and dreary as well. Some of the storms that we're going to see tonight could be on the strong to severe side. The Weather Service has Jones County, Covington County, and Jasper County, as well as other counties off to our northwest under a tornado watch, meaning conditions are favorable for the development of a tornado until 11 p.m. Some of those storms already have severe thunderstorm warnings on them. Further off to our west northwest have tornado warnings. Here's a look at our weekend planner. Rain tapering off tomorrow. It'll be a little bit wet in the morning, but as we move into late morning into early afternoon, those rain showers will be making their way out of the region just in time for HubFest and other events around the area. 67's our high tomorrow. Northwest winds gusting at times between 10 and 15 miles per hour. That will certainly keep things cool, so be sure to bring a jacket as you venture out. 64 is our high on Sunday. Partly cloudy skies on Sunday. Here's a look at our severe weather risk for the overnight hours. The Storm Prediction Center does have us under a slight risk for severe winds up to 60 miles per hour, hail up to 1 inch possible, and of course we can't rule out an isolated tornado into the overnight hours. As you look at the current map of watches and warnings, again, no new warnings, but that tornado watch does exist until 11 p.m. tonight. Here's our future radar. You can see that we're going to continue to see those scattered showers and thunderstorms, some of which are going to be on the strong to severe side at times, but further back off to our northwest, we can see that line moving in. And check out those areas of deep, dark purple. That's hail. We could see some of those strong storms producing hail up to 1 inch in diameter, certainly enough to do damage, so be sure to have a way to get those warnings should they be issued. Here's a look at our forecast map. That's the cold front moving through. Behind it, we are going to see some showers, not severe. That'll be moving through late tonight into tomorrow. Much colder temperatures behind it. Here's our highs today. We broke into the 70s, 75 in Hattiesburg, Laurel 74. Macomb reported a high temperature of 76 degrees. Baton Rouge, the warm spot on the map today with 78. Our dew point currently, it is not nice. It's in the muggy category. 66 degrees is our dew point. It's beginning to get that time of year. What to expect? Rain tapering off tonight. Temperatures tumbling on our Saturday. They'll be getting pretty stinking cold with those winds behind it, making it feel even colder. Brief break from the rain continued on Sunday, and by Monday we'll see temperatures begin to rebound up into the 60s. Forecast to lows tonight: 64 in Hattiesburg, Sanford 62, in Columbia 63 degrees. We'll warm up tomorrow to 67 in Hattiesburg. That's going to be mostly in the morning as that cold front comes through. So our highs, it'll be a bit odd. Our highs will be in the first part of the day as opposed to the latter part. Here's a look at our next 3 days. 67's that high tomorrow. Rain tapering off on Sunday. We'll see a temperature of 64 degrees, cooling down with periods of clouds and sunshine. Monday, we start our work week off with rain chances back in the forecast. Temperatures breaking into the upper 60s into low 70s. Much of the same again on Tuesday, but by midweek on Wednesday, clear and temperature of 75 degrees. So we have a rocky next about 12 hours with that chance of severe thunderstorms. So certainly keep an eye on that and be sure to have a way to get those severe weather warnings should or when they be issued.
As far as the tornado warning, it is?
Watch.
And it expires at?
11 p.m. tonight. And it could get extended, but as we are now, 11 p.m. tonight is when the threat should end.
Okay. And again, the difference between a watch and a warning?
Sure. A warning means something is imminent. If you get a tornado warning, it is time to take shelter. There has been a sighting of a tornado, or Weather Service forecasters are seeing a possible tornado on radar. A watch just means conditions are favorable.
That it could happen.
Could happen.
Okay. So we're watching for it. And we hope we don't see it.
We're watching for it right now, hoping we don't see anything.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, Scotty.